Hello Cheri, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, this is going to be the ultimate boho braids review pretty much. I'm going to be recording every single day when I wear this hair, how it holds up, what I do until the day that I take it out, so you guys can go on this journey. If you've had boho braids before and you didn't like it, this might be your time to be like, maybe I'll try it again. Or if you haven't had it, you'd be like, okay, maybe I should try, because I know there's mixed reviews and this should just let you know everything that's going on. This is day 2. I lost my intro, so I came in here to do that really quick, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys in my next one. Alright y'all, so I'm going to stop rambling and really get into the details in this hair. If you have any questions, I hope I answered it. If not, just leave them down in the comments. I will let you know. Alright, so for the curly pieces, the hair only has about, each braid has 4 curly pieces. Usually I do about 7 if it's longer, but I did 4. 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, so the thickness can be all throughout. The color, I use color 30 and color 27. I mix them together. If you don't know how those look, I'm gonna just put a picture. This is how they look, 30 and 27. I used, like, for one full thing of 30, I mixed half of 27, so that's how I used. And then for the curly pieces, it was black, and then I bleached it with 30 volume developer for 30 minutes on the first bundle and an hour on the second one, which is why we have some of these that are lighter and others that are dark. That's how I wanted it. I wanted a little like highlight effect. What else? When I was dipping the hair to have the bottom look like this, basically just braided the bottom like this and dipped it into water. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't want to leave, you know. I wouldn't want to bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. Day 2, I did not sleep with a bonnet because I don't know why, but I haven't taken my hair down today. Let's see if we have to do anything to my hair today. I did do my edges though. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna leave it down again today. This is how it's looking. I don't think I'm gonna put any products in it again today, not even the spray, because I think it still has the shine from yesterday. So we're just gonna do the little test. Cue the music. Hello, it's day 4. This is how the hair looks. This is how I slept with it. Today's actually gonna be like, besides the first day, I'm gonna put some product on my hair because I feel like, one, I could activate the curls a little bit more, and also I kind of want to go for a little bit of a wet look today. So I'm gonna just give you all a before of how the hair is looking before I touch it. This is how it's looking in the bun. This is the back. And now let's take it down and see what we are working with. Yesterday I didn't really talk because my audio was just all over the place, so I just took it out, but I didn't put nothing in the hair. So okay, this is how the hair is looking straight out of the bun. Okay, there we go. Here's how the back is looking. Alright, so I think I'm gonna put water in my hair today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna be right back. I just put water in it. I'm just gonna like pass my hands through it. How can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm checking with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind. Hey y'all, good afternoon. Today is technically day 5 and day 6 because my hair just stayed pretty much like this yesterday. I I didn't touch it because I didn't go anywhere, so I didn't do anything to it. There was no product yesterday. No, nothing, literally nothing. So today's day 6 and I did do my edges and put my scarf back on, and this is how the hair is looking. So as you can see, it's a little like, it's not that bad. As you can see, like there's a few, I have to like struggle a little bit to pass my hand through it, but for the most part it's not that bad. I am gonna put mousse in my hair today, and then I'm just gonna wear it in a ponytail. So cue the music.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body.
Hi guys, so this was harder than I thought. It is day 10. I did not record day 9 because school started and I just don't have enough time to be recording every single day. But whenever I can, I'll try to put in like a little video. But today's day 10. I put water on my hair today and I put it up. No product, and the curls are still popping. Just water, literally. So
I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you.
it is officially 2 weeks. We made it, day 14. I washed my hair yesterday. This is how it's looking because I just felt like it won't be a boho braids review if my hair did not go on water, because a lot of people get this style to be able to go with it on vacations and stuff like that. So I think the washing really helped define the curls even more. When I washed it, I just used shampoo and I put conditioner in it, and that's all I did. So love it. It looks super good.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what so amazed. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
today's day 22 and I am planning on taking out my hair today. I was supposed to like speak and end it tomorrow, but I wanted to be a full 3 weeks before I took it out. I did my hair on like the 8th. Today's the 1st of Feb, so it's been 3 weeks already. I did wash my hair this morning. I didn't have to because obviously I'm taking my hair out today. The reason why I washed my hair is because I really wanted to show y'all. Like honestly, I feel like this hair can go another week or so because I'm only taking it out because I have stuff I need to do that require me to have a different hairstyle. But if it wasn't for that, I would have kept it. Now, how is this hair holding up? I do think with this hair, you're gonna need to, like with boho braids, you're gonna need to like pass your hands through the hair at least every single day. Like I'm not saying you need to put products every day, but like a little like one of these every day will help the hair like be better. Because on day like, what day was it, like 18 to like 21 or like was it like 17, I really was lazy. I was just putting it in a ponytail, and when I took it down you could really tell that it lacked like a little maintenance because the curls were just, I don't know. But this is on 3 weeks. I washed the hair, I didn't put product, I did go out, I went to school today, and the hair's been air drying. It's not fully dry yet, it's still damp, but this is how the hair is looking after a full 3 weeks of me having it. If it wasn't for the new growth, you would literally think my hair is new. Now it does have a little freeze, so when you wash it and stuff like that, I do recommend you put conditioner or like a shine spray or something like that. All of that will be linked down below just in case you want it. If not, that's fine, but that's what worked for me, and I linked it for anybody who would like to use it. I'm gonna bring it closer so we can get a few curls and really see. So as you can see, like the curls are there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the oil in, and then I'll show y'all the difference that the oil makes. Anyway guys, this is the end of this video. I hope this video helped you learn a little something. I feel like this was the longest I've kept boho braids in before, and the longer I had it, the more I learned. But I do feel like whenever I do have time, I will do boho braids again. Like in the summer, if I have to travel, I'll do that and keep it in for longer. In total, I washed this hair 3 times. So yeah, and it still looks good. I would recommend this hairstyle, but I do feel like I had it a little bit easy because the curl pattern that I used was not as curly. But if your curl pattern is super curly, the more work you're gonna have to do. You might have to take more time than I did to individually fix the curls. But yeah, so I hope this was helpful. That's it, that's all. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, Cheri.